Again, I do like an analogy, and one of the best analogies I heard from Microsoft was you wouldn't put a 4-year-old in a living room where there's a table full of hot drinks, there's a table full of, everything that could fall on this particular 4-year-old child.
Yeah.
And that's what Copilot is. It's looking around for everything, but if we can put in ways that can identify certain
stair gates.
Yeah, exactly.
Things on the corners of the tables.
Exactly that. And through Ingram and our partnership with Ergos, what we can offer is a technical readiness assessment.
Okay,
what we will
that's interesting.
Yeah, what we will do is we'll look at the current security posture, make recommendations, basically giving you a RAG status on Copilot and say, yeah, these are the things which we're finding red, these are amber, these are green. Green, you're all good, you've got a business premium license, everything's in place, go and install and deploy Copilot. There may be some red or amber things on there where what we're saying is before you deploy Copilot or the 4-year-old child, how about we deploy X, Y, Z into the security, so it gives you a bit more of a bit of comfort and knowing that Copilot's not going to see files that you don't want it to.
Excellent.